Hi, in this video we'll be doing an anime cooking challenge. I call this as a challenge because this is my first time to make a cooking video, and also I don't like cooking and I've been learning how to cook for less than a month. So for me, this is a challenge, at least for me. So we'll start with something simple for this anime cooking challenge. I'll be cooking one of the food from the Studio Ghibli Films, which is from Ponyo. Something simple for the meantime, since this is my first time. So let's try this now. Let me tie my hair first. Let me watch first how it was cooked. Sa bowl lang. I made ramen eggs one day before, so let me show you what I did yesterday. I boiled this for 7 minutes. Looks dirty because the shell cracked already, so there was seeping through of the egg white. And now we're just time to peel this and then put this in a marinade. The marinade is composed of 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of mirin. So I placed the eggs and the marinade in the Ziploc bag and then tie it and then refrigerate the eggs for overnight. And now the moment of truth. This is my first time to make a ramen egg. Let's see what it looks like. Looks good, right? I never expected it to be looking this good, but as you can see the video, nasunog ko yung garlic. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Bye-bye!